Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. TGIF. Oh, what a week it has been here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. How about your week? Hopefully good. Last night I did a recipe that I actually shared in the group about a week or two ago. Smoked paprika chicken, and I served that with my rice pilaf. The smoked paprika chicken is very good, almost excellent. I think it is a must try. I did add one little ingredient in the spice mix. I added, because I did remember, I did a half recipe. So I added half a tablespoon of Deji Merch, which is it's the best way to describe it is a kind of just a slight spicy paprika from India. You don't have to use it, but I did. You know, recipes are just guidelines. And this was not an expedition dish. So it was good. The recipe will be posted shortly. Try it. It's really good. I did it in the oven. If one of you does it on a grill, I'd like to hear about it. I'd like to know how it turns out, on the grill. I'm sure it's just fantastic. All right. Today, the culinary expedition continues. We're headed to Singapore. Wow, the recipes from Singapore are just kind of mind-blowing. I had one slated, and then I started going through the ingredient list for shopping, and I went, I don't even know where to get most of this. It was a lot of sauces and stuff, so I decided not to do it. So I found this one, Yew Bak, I believe it's how, I'm just guessing how it's pronounced, braised pork in soy sauce. This looks really yummy. It's simple. There's some ingredients that you can get at like Super X or some of the other Asian markets, but it's not bad. It's really not. So let's get to it. And I've got about 8 ounces of pork tenderloin going on here. The ingredients basically it is some kosher salt, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some sugar, some oil, Chinese 5 spice, garlic, lots of garlic. Some of the options are carrots. The empty bowl here is shiitake mushrooms, because this is Friday, so I'm shopping this morning. I'm going to pick up some shiitakes. I'm kind of cheating a little bit. I have some leftover red bell pepper. I'm going to add this to the mix. Water, because it's a braise. And this empty bowl represents cilantro, or actually they call for coriander, which is basically the same thing. So, and I'm trying to buy things like cilantro / coriander and parsley, either the day before or the day of. And this will be served with long grain white rice. So that's what I got going on today for the expedition. Later on this morning, about 10 o'clock, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to do all of my prep. It's not a lot of prep here. Bunch of measuring, but there'll be a little bit of knife work. I'm going live in the group with my prep work. So, if you're available and you're wanting to see, my prep, tune in, 10 o'clock Pacific time. All right, By the way, if there's technical difficulties, just hold on. It's testing for me for next Saturday, equipment-wise. All right, so on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.